Good morning vlog. It is 6:30 on July 5th, and I'm going to work. I work from 7 to 1, but then I have the next 2 days off, so. So I'm in the toll booth, and it's already been a busy day. Let's see, I woke up at 6:15, and I got here at 7, and in that time, I got ready, had breakfast, drove my 20-ish minute commute here, got my warm beverage, got gas, and now I'm here. And I am so sleepy. I have finished my shift at work, and I have also finished my 7-day work streak. I have 2 days off now, and I have a few things I gotta get done. I need to buy a dress for a wedding, and I need to sleep a lot because I'm so tired. Okay, the shift was good. I love working in the morning because now I have like my whole day to do whatever. Speaking of which, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I feel like that is a common theme in my work day schedule, but I'm sure I will find something and you will see.